Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA XR20 and let me share with you how to show emoji suggestions on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now let's enter languages and input and tap on on-screen keyboard. Here we have to pick the keyboard we've got currently set. In my case it is Gboard, so let's tap on it, and here we have to enter text correction. And as you can see, on the fourth position we've got show emoji suggestions option, which is in my case active but if you've got this option which looks like it, then all you have to do to turn it on is to simply tap on the switcher, and from now on your device will be allowed to show you some emoji suggestions whilst typing. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to. So actually this is it. This is how to show emoji suggestions in your NOKIA XR20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.